Hi, welcome back. I'm going to take you through a really great warm-up, and it's torso circles. I love to start with this warm-up, especially when I'm sitting. It's going to warm up the lower spine, which for a lot of people is really tight. It's going to bring heat to the body and very much fluidness to the breath. So this is definitely a breathing practice just as much as it's a warm-up for the torso and the physical body. So when you begin, you're going to start seated. Now remember, starting seated, if your knees are elbow rests and you're on your tailbone, you're going to have to be up on something but still feeling secure, so it's big enough that you don't feel like you're going to fall off. Hands on the knees. Hands are like drivers. Okay, I'm pushing into the opposing knee as I go one direction and then pushing into the opposite as I go the other way. Okay, so they're like drivers, and that's going to help you get the length in your side body that you're looking for. It's going to feel like a really great stretch. So it's not just a circle, round and round, it's also a twist side to side. And that's what's going to get into your erectors down the spine and your QL, your quadriceps laborium, the square muscles on each side of your lower back. That's also going to be able to kind of get access and release some space. So let's get started. Hands on the knees, nice deep breath in. We're going to go to the right. So inhale, turn, dive the opposing shoulder down as you push into the left hand, left knee. Roll across center. Now start to turn the shoulders as you come up and around the opposite way. So notice how I'm turning and circling. Inhale, exhale. So whether you choose to dive on the inhale or dive on the exhale, and then you come up on the opposite breath, is totally up to you. I just want you breathing, half a breath, half a circle. Relax the head on the downswing. I personally like inhale to start, exhale to complete, so I can use my core to really come up. Expect to maybe be a little bit lightheaded if you're new, because you're going to find that between the circling and the deep breathing and the churning in the digestive fire area, the agni, the belly, you're going to find that there's definitely some work being done. And then reverse. Inhale and exhale. I usually have people go for about 10 rounds one direction and 10 rounds the other direction, or a minute and a minute, or 30 seconds and 30 seconds. You should be starting to feel warm. One more. Whew. Now I'm ready for a great practice, and I know you are too. Great job.